Grandpa died and left me with 7,000 shares of AAPL. Diversify or let it roll? So my GPA got the cancers and it's honestly been a bit sad the last few days, but now the real question comes, and that is what's next? Well, he was quite the autistic retard and decided to dump my old college fund all into Apple way back in '03 because I enlisted instead. It's now grown harder than a dick on prom night, and I'm looking for a way to buy a new wife that doesn't already have a boyfriend. So what I need to know is, should I move it around or keep it rolling all in AAPL like a retarded autist? Edit. I forgot to mention he literally had nothing more than an 8th grade education back in '47. Wait for the split, let it climb 8-10% from the coverage, and diversify while maintaining a good chunk of your AAPL position. Don't fucking gamble with that money, you'll never forgive yourself. Gamble with your own money. Put that shit in something low risk, you'll be happy you did. He should diversify now for the simple fact that when he inherited, his cost basis got reset to the day of inheritance. He could liquidate it all with no taxes paid. Personally, I would leave a chunk in, say 20%, and sell covered calls and put the rest in low risk positions. If you had 3 million cash right now, would you take it all and buy APL? From that angle, that would be hard to justify. Still a smarter decision than shopping for a wife, lol. Absolutely. Apples are green like money. Why buy anything else? Most apples are red. First off, I'm sorry for your loss. Second, I answer this question almost monthly when it comes up in estate planning/probate. My advice is, don't do anything just yet. Wait a month. Give it time. Let any idea marinate. Most people tend to occupy themselves early in the grieving process with distractions that consequently are not the best decisions. Your grandfather held onto those shares for presumably a long time. Don't listen to these diversify fags. Your grandpa didn't diversify and look where you are now. Is Apple overvalued? Maybe. Are they releasing new 5G iPhones, AirPods, eyeglasses, and who the fuck knows what else? Yes. These fags wish they had this money so that they could diversify into treasuries and buy their wife's flowers every year. You so want a yacht? At split buy more, write more covered calls. No reason this can't be 10 million 5 to 10 years. Buffet ain't selling, why are you? I would hold that shit and sell weekly covered calls at 0.05-0.10 delta. Super low probability of getting called away, but can generate 50 to 70 bucks per contract. You can sell 70 of these every week and get 5k per week in income, not even including dividends. If they go ITM, wait till expiry day to roll till next week. Watch out for dividend motivated early assignment. If you want to diversify and buy other shit, just sell like 20% and allow a few assignments in your CCs. Diversify some at least, but talk to a tax expert first. Since the estate tax is gone, my understanding is you could theoretically never pay tax on the gains, just hold forever and take non-recourse margin loans against the shares to get cash, but that may not be worth the transaction costs for single-digit millions.